Yes, good morning guys to all of you on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S exam prep. So guys, now 7th January you guys have ISRO examination. So as HPCL is over, now we are coming up with the mock test for ISRO. So guys, do like and share the session so that other student can also join. Okay, and we are starting the questions, and today we are having this mock test. It is going to be actually the mini mock test, because we are having around 25 questions today. Okay, and yes, in the next week we will be coming up with the complete mock test where we will be having the 100 questions also. So we are starting guys here without wasting the time. This is some detail about me. And guys, the Telegram channel of mine is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. You can join that. Okay, let me check the voice. Yes, please tell me my voice is coming or not. Voice is coming or not? Yes, Sushmita, please tell me voice is coming or not. Let me check. Hello. Yes, so guys, I feel my voice is coming. Yes, Dhananjay, Sarath, yes, we are starting. So guys, the Telegram channel is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. You can join that. You will get the PDF of this session on the Telegram channel. Okay. So moving further, this is about the quiz on the BYJU'S exam prep app. Like right now here we are having this session. You can also practice quizzes on the BYJU'S exam prep app. So you can download the app. Link is there in the description. There you will find the free quizzes for ISRO. Okay. Yes. Amit, don't worry. Admit card will come within today, tomorrow, because they are sending one by one on mail. Na? If it will be coming on the website, it would be available at one instant only. But now as they are sending, so it will be coming today, tomorrow. Within 1-2 days, everybody will get. Okay. So guys, this is the very first question, which is from strength of material. The topic is column. The topic from which this question is, it is column. Rankine formula, and this type of question have already been asked many times in ISRO paper. So tell me guys. Yes, Prathamesh, Amresh, Dhananjay, everybody is agreed on C. Sarath, very good. And yes, you are correct. Answer is C, because when you are writing the Rankine formula, it is coming out to be Euler formula plus 1 by crushing strength. So when you will be applying this and solving this, 1 by PR, it will be coming as PE PCR and PE plus PCR. So PR, that is Rankine force, will be PC, PE, PC plus PE. Yes. So answer will be C for this. That's correct. Moving to the next question. Very good, Anonymous, Jay. Moving to the next question. Question number 2. So guys, you can see this question. In this question, the bending moment M and torque is applied on a solid circular shaft. Okay. So just solve this. This question, the bending moment M. Yes, voice is coming. I was checking that. Question number 2 guys. Bending moment M and torque is applied on a solid circular shaft if the maximum bending stress equals to maximum shear stress. So they are saying the maximum bending stress is equals to maximum shear stress. They are asking you then what is the relation between bending moment and twisting moment. Akanksha, then there is no problem, na? That is happening. ISRO is every time happening like that only. Every time ISRO is happening like that only. That's why papers are also available. Madhuri is saying A, Amresh is saying A, Dhananjay is saying A. And the answer for this, if you want to see, you know that bending stress formula is 32 m by pi d cube. And you know this twisting stress formula is 16 t by pi d cube. So whenever you are having a shaft like this, then if you are having a bending moment M, because of that bending stress is this. And if we are having a shaft, if twisting couple is acting, for that formula is this. So if you know pi d cube cancel out. This will be coming 2. So I feel m will be coming t by 2, and I feel A is going to be the correct answer. Dear, ISRO is always not having much calculative parts. Like this question you are thinking, this is a PYQ of ISRO. So yes, some questions will be there in the form of numerical, but majority questions are conceptual there. Okay, they are not asking the mug up kind of things. They are asking conceptual things like previous 2 questions you have seen. That type of questions are more in ISRO. Okay, so next is for solid shaft subjected to a torque 18,000 Newton meter having a permissible shear stress. This type of calculations can come in the paper, which are not very lengthy, but they will be checking some calculations with the 5, 7, 8, 10 questions like that. Okay, so what would be the answer for this? They are saying for a solid shaft subjected to a torque 18,000 Newton meter having permissible shear stress. You know that the induced stress maximum, we have just written the formula 16 Ty pi d cube. So you would be saying the induced maximum less than equals to tau permissible. When we are going to do that, you will be saying 16 Ty pi d cube going to be less than equals to, this is, they have mentioned 60. So you just need to put the value and you will get the answer, diameter more than equals to that, and that will give you the answer. Okay, Sushmita is saying the answer to be 115. What about others? Yes, Dhananjay, Madhuri is saying A, very good. Sushmita, Madhuri have answered. What about others? Anonymous is also saying the answer is A, very good. Yes, Amresh, Dhananjay. So I would like to say answer is A. It is coming out to be approximately 115, and as you can see it is more than equals to. So if it is coming 114 point something, then the answer is going to be 115 because it is more than equals to. Okay, so it's fine. If it is coming up to 115, the answer will be this. Answer will be A for this. Moving to next question. This is also a PYQ of ISRO. This question have been appeared 3 times in ISRO. 3 times in ISRO. You can see what it is. Shear forces. So this is a conceptual question. This is not a data based question. This is a conceptual question. Yes, very good. So whenever we are looking for shear force, you already know that shear force is nothing but del m by del x. This is the relation between shear force and bending moment. So we will be saying C would be the right answer. Okay. Similarly, if they ask the relation between load and shear force, then load will be dV by dx. Plus minus I am not writing, that is the matter of sign convention. Okay. Yes. Moving further. Next question is maximum deflection in cantilever due to pure bending moment. This is also standard table formula question. You can see that. Okay. So guys, in the next week we will be coming up with the full length mock test also. Don't worry about that. Very good, Aniket. Answer, you are saying B. All others are saying A. So answer is A. Okay, when we are talking about this is the deflection. So we would be writing deflection at A as minus ml square upon 2ei. Here minus indicates downward. Okay, and if you are finding out slope, it will be coming out to be ml upon ei. So for that you need to go for the standard table. 8 results, they are coming directly in the paper. Okay, moving to the next question, guys. Next question is maximum shear stress in Mohr circle is equals to. This is also a PYQ of ISRO. So you may be thinking it is very easy question. Yes, they are asking some questions like that. 50% question of any paper are solvable by any student. After that only difficulty level increases. 50% they make it like if an average student is, he can solve it. Yes, you know that the maximum shear stress is nothing but given by radius. Okay, this is radius of the Mohr circle. So moving to the next question, guys. Next question is mathematics. Next question is mathematics. The modulus of 1 plus cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. You need to tell the modulus of that. So you know you can write this complex number 1 plus cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. So you know what is modulus? Square root of 1 plus cos alpha का square plus sin alpha का square. Solve it, apply some trigonometry and give the answer. So this is question number it is 7. Question number 7 it is. Question number 7. Yes, what would be the answer? Okay, Sarath is saying B. Sushmita is saying A. What about others? Sanket is saying B. Very good. Thick skin is saying B. Tushar is saying B. Aniket saying A. Okay, let us see. So you know when you will be solving this, you will be getting 1 plus cos square alpha plus 2 cos alpha plus sin square alpha. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is going to be 1. So it will be coming out to be 2 plus 2 cos alpha. Okay. So you already know that trigonometry relation 1 plus cos alpha by 2 is cos square alpha by 2. So using this relation you will be getting the answer to be 2 cos alpha by 2. B is the right answer. Okay. B will be the right answer for this. Very good, guys. Moving to question number 8. Question number 8 from production. Question number 8 from production. Question number 8 from production. So they are saying materials after cold working are subjected to following process to relieve the stresses. हाँ निकेत, अब कब करोगे? 7 तारीख को पेपर है. Bhanu is saying D. Madhuri is saying D. Okay, very good. Everybody is giving the right answer. D is the correct one. Annealing. Annealing is done because whenever we are going for cold working, you know that ductility is getting reduced. Strength increases, hardness increases, brittleness increases. So to improve the ductility, because generally if you talk about rolling, you are talking about wire drawing, there are multi-pass operations. So that is why we need to improve the ductility. For that we go for annealing. And stresses also needs to be relieved. Question number 9, drop forging. This is also a PYQ. Some questions today I have taken from previous years. Okay, this is also a PYQ. So they are saying that dropping the workpiece at high velocity, dropping the hammer at high velocity, dropping the die with hammer at high velocity, dropping a weight on hammer. Actually, when we are saying that dropping the weight on hammer is not correct, because hammer itself is weight which is going to fall over the die. Okay, we are having the dies, like this is die, this is die. On the dies hammer will come. This is hammer. Okay, so hammer itself is a weight, na? So answer will be B for that. So B is the right answer. Okay, yes. हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. You can do Aniket. Yes, definitely. And don't worry guys, for GATE we are going to come up for the marathon soon. Be ready. We have already made the plans. Okay, after ISRO we will be coming up for the GATE marathon sessions. After that we will also be having the mock test. So just be there with us, because after ISRO the complete day we are going to be with you. Okay, because till that time our courses will also be finished. So we would be more engaged on the YouTube with you guys. So this time they are saying the vernier reading. This is from metrology inspection. The vernier reading should not be taken at its face value before an actual check has been taken. Its calibration. Whenever we are going for any measurement, before that calibration is required. Okay, because error whatever will be coming or not, that is the secondary thing, but calibration is done. Even when you go to a Kiryana shop and he is going to give you some sugar, some anything which you want to have a weight on the weighing machine, he first of all set it on to the 0. Okay, otherwise you will not get the correct thing. So that is why calibration is the first thing which is done. So answer will be B for this. Moving to the next question. The temperature of sun can be measured using it. This is from thermodynamics. Dear, actually, whenever we are going to use any device, okay, this is the thumb, whenever you are going to use any device, like you are going to use weighing machine. So what you will do? First of all, you will set the zero, na? Yes or no? So you will set the zero, otherwise that will not give you the correct reading. Like let us say I have used a vernier caliper before and on that already some gap is there. Then will you start without checking the calibration? Calibration means zero should be set on the zero. Okay, because if any problem is there previously in the device, that should not come in the calculation. Okay, you got? So answer for this, the temperature of sun can be measured by, yes, radiation pyrometer, because we cannot go and touch the sun to see the temperature. For that we need to go for, dear, this is question number 11. This is question number 11. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 12. This is from engineering mechanics. This is from engineering mechanics. So Tushar, 11 questions are over and we are going to have total 30 questions, sorry, not 25, 30 questions. So 19 more questions are there. Aniket, what is zero error? Calibration is a process which is done. What is zero error? Zero error is one kind of expectations you have. Okay, so calibration means this is the process what we do every time. Because without calibration, your device may not give the right answer. Because whatever writing it will be giving to with respect to some other reading which is not zero. Okay. So the most appropriate you will go for in such case. Calibration is covering zero error itself. Okay. So the answer for this will be coming out to be D. They are saying a car moving with uniform acceleration covers 450 meter in 5 seconds and then covers 700 meter in the next 5 seconds. So you know that whenever we are going to see this, we will be having a formula S is equals to UT plus half AT square. UT plus half AT square. They are saying car is moving uniform acceleration 450 meter. So this is given as 450 meter and moving with uniform acceleration and covers 5. Okay, this is UT plus half AT square. So they are saying in the first 5 seconds. So time is given as 5 seconds. So you will say 450 is equals to 5u. We don't know the initial speed. Half into 25a. Then in the next 5 seconds it is covering 700 meters. So 700 in the 10u plus 1 by 2 a into 10 ka square. When you will be solving these two equations, you will get the value of u and value of a. And a will be coming out to be 10 meter per second square. D is the right answer. Okay. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 13. This is also from engineering mechanics. This question is also from PYQ. This is from ISRO 2010. Solve this question, guys. So here this some graph is given. 0 to T1, T1 to T2. Okay. So let us see how many of you give right answer for this question. Okay, already Sanket, Madhuri have given the answer as C, which is correct. So yeah, a particle starts from rest. So obviously U is going to be 0. Then a constant acceleration alpha meter per second square, and after some time it decelerates at a uniform rate of beta till it comes to rest. If the total time taken between the two rest position is t, the maximum velocity acquired by the particle is. Yes, guys. So you know that V is equals to U plus AT. If you apply that, velocity will be coming out to be alpha times of T1. And also you can apply V is equals to U plus AT. U is 0. When you are going to have first alpha T1 minus beta T2. Okay, because initially it is acceleration, then deceleration. So when you will be saying that T2 is nothing but T minus T1, putting this equation here, we are going to find out that initial velocity 0, this is the final velocity, this is V max. Okay, and this is going to be V at this location. So it is also going to be 0. So you will get alpha T1 is equals to beta T2. From here you can get the value of T1. Put the value of T1 here, you will be getting the answer to be C. I feel everybody is getting this. Yes, everybody understood? C, very good. Shall we move further? Shall we move further? You can see the equations now. V max is nothing but alpha times of T1. We need T1. So final velocity is 0, and a final velocity I am writing it as Vf. Final velocity 0, that is initial velocity plus alpha T1 plus beta T2. But beta is deceleration, so it will be minus beta T2. And T2 can be written as T minus T1. So when you will be putting, you will be getting the value of T1, and what you will be getting as T1, I am telling you, T1 is coming out to be beta T by alpha plus beta. When you will be getting this value, put this here. You will be getting the Vmax. And Vmax will be coming out to be what? It is coming out to be alpha beta T divided by alpha plus beta. So C would be the right answer. I feel everybody understood. Simple mechanics concept. Why final velocity is 0? Because you can see that this is initial, this is final. So starting from 0, ending at 0. This is accelerated, this is retarded. Next question, guys. This is a simple question from projectile motion. Engineering mechanics again. Engineering mechanics again, projectile motion, guys. Question number 14. Question number 14. 16 questions are still left. A particle is projected at an angle of theta to a horizontal. Okay. It attains a maximum height h, the time taken by the projectile to reach the highest point of its path. Okay. So this is the projectile, u and theta. They are asking the time taken. What would be the time taken, guys? Yes, everybody is getting B. This is a very simple and famous question. You would be getting the answer as B. They are asking you the time taken by projectile to reach the highest point. So you will be assuming the highest point is having a height of h. This is having a height of h. This is the motion of y direction. Okay, so uy is u sine theta. Acceleration in y direction is minus g, and the height, distance travel is h. Okay, and you need to find out the time of ascent. So answer will be coming out to be 2h by g ka square root. I feel everybody can do this. Is a very easy question. Moving further. Next question is once again from strength of material. This question is saying a cantilever beam AB of length and uniformly flexural rigidity EI has a bracket AC attached to its free end shown in the figure. Vertical load is applied to the free end C of the bracket in order that the deflection of the point A will be 0, the ratio of A to the L. This is a conceptual question. This is not a very high calculations, only the standard results are required. They are saying that deflection of A is going to be 0. This will be done by free body diagram. This will be done by free body diagram. And I can see Sanket have given the answer as D. What about others? Okay, Madhuri is also saying D. Very good. Very quick answer. What about others? How you will solve it? By free body diagram. So I am showing you the solution on the next slide. So if you see, this is the figure given. This distance is A, this is L. And this is the load P. If I say this is A, this is B, this is C. So I would be having the BC part separated. you know P load is acting on this. To balance this P, to balance this P, to balance this P, to balance this P, you know this AB beam will be holding this BC part with a reaction, and also this is creating a couple. So to balance that couple, a bending moment of P into A will also be applied. These are applied by AB beam on BC. The same will be replicated as Newton's third law of motion on this AB part. This is A, this is B. So you know, as this is acting upward, so as a reaction will be coming downward. This is clockwise, so here we will be having anti-clockwise. This is P into A. So now to balance this, that AD beam will be providing a P in this direction and a couple in this direction. This is once again P into A. So as a result, when you will see the part DA, so on DA, as this is acting upward, here reaction will be coming downward, and it is coming clockwise, so it will be coming anti-clockwise. So now you know that if you want to write down the deflection at A, it will be coming out to be minus PL cube upon 3EI. That will be PL cube upon 3I negative downward, then you will be having, because of moment, bending moment is P into A, ML square upon 2EI. Okay, so when you will be keeping it to be 0, you will be getting the relation between A and L, and the answer will be coming out to be 2/3. Okay, this is a very good question. And moving to the next question, guys. So do like and share the session, guys. We are coming up for every exam for you. For BDL we come up, for BEL we come up, for HPCL we come up, for ISRO we are coming up, then for GATE also we will come up. Yes, this question number 16. So my dear, whenever we are talking about steel, you know steel means we are having carbon in iron, but carbon is less than 2%. After that we call it as cast iron. Steel is a solid solution. So we are having, based on the carbon percentage, low carbon steel. If carbon is less than 0.3%, we call it as low carbon steel. Second is medium carbon steel. Medium carbon steel is when carbon is less than 0.6%. Okay, and we are calling it as high carbon steel if carbon is less than 2%, more than 0.6%. So guys, if you see these options, there are multiple options which can be correct. 0.6 to 0.8% also it is high carbon steel. 0.8 to 1.5% also it is high carbon steel. But in ISRO we need to select only one option. So most appropriate will be this much, because up to 1.5% is having more range. Okay, so that is why we will be going with D here. Sir, in DI question, I think some possible. I did not get which question you are saying, Amresh. Are you talking about previous question? I feel we have done it. Are you asking about the forging question? Are you asking about the forging question, Amresh? You do one thing, after the class you share the screenshot of that question with me. Okay, then I will clarify you. Next question is this. This is related to the shock. So drop forging question, if you have any doubt, you share it with me personally. If there will be anything, I will check it. Otherwise, whatever I am saying is correct only, because whenever we are talking about hammer will be coming from the top onto the die. Okay, because dies are putting like that. So if you are going to say hammer is also there, then some weight will be coming. Okay, so that kind of thing you can it is said to be some kind of manipulation. Okay, shock resistance steel would be, shock is having resistance from the toughness. That is why we are thinking of more toughness in the cutting tool materials. Okay, so answer will be C for this. Everybody, Amresh, Tushar, Amit, Nikhil, Sanket, Madhuri and Manoranjan have given the right answer. Moving to next question. For two springs having same stiffness are in series, its equivalent stiffness will be. Very simple question. and this is also a previous year question of ISRO. So Aniket, yaar, if you have any such doubt, ask separately, na? Here question is going on spring, you are asking on production. It will disturb the entire class. If you want to ask something like that, ask either at the end or separately. In between it is disturbing. Okay, what would be the answer, guys? So we are having two springs having stiffness Kr in series. So this is one spring, this is another spring. If they are in series, you know that 1 upon K equivalent 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2. So 1 by K plus 1 by K. So answer will be coming out to be B. K by 2 will be the right answer. And this question is question number 18. We are still left with 12 more questions. Question number 19 in front of you. Question number 19 in front of you. Find Nikhil and Sanket. What would be answer for this question, guys? There are two vectors. A vector is I cap plus Cj cap. B vector is J cap. And you need to tell the angle is also given 45. So theta between them is 45 degree. And they are asking you the value of C. Yes, solve it, guys. Solve it. You know that dot product of two vectors can be written as, so cos theta can be written as A vector B vector by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So this will give you the value of C, because you know theta is 45. So cos 45 degree. A dot B. You know that when you will be going for A dot B, what you will be getting? This is a dot product. Okay. So you can see A vector is having 1 I cap plus Cj cap. B vector is 0 I cap plus 1 j cap. So you know in the dot product we multiply like 1 into 0 plus C into 1, like that. Yes. A is the answer. Everybody is saying. Somebody are saying D, some are saying A. Okay. Fine. So first of all, when you will be having this as C divided by, if you are going to calculate the magnitude of A vector, it is coming out to be 1 ka square plus C ka square. And then magnitude of B vector will be coming out to be equals to 1 ka square. So it is square root of 1 plus C ka square into 1. So you know cos 45 is 1 by root 2. You just need to square both sides. And after squaring both sides, you will be getting the answer to be, C will be coming out to be 0. And answer will be coming out to be D for this. Is it clear for everyone? Yes. Clear for everyone? Tell me, guys. C is coming out to be 0 or 1? 0 coming or 1 coming? I feel this is 1 plus C, na? So when you will be going for square, it will be 1 plus C ka square. Yes, D or A? 0. Okay, fine. So shall we move on to the next question? Everybody is clear? Aniket, thick skin. This was question number 19. Okay, you solve it. What is coming? Yes, I feel 1 will be coming the answer. Yes, A is coming. So guys, I feel you can calculate it. It is in front of you. A into B will be, that is equals to C only. I have calculated also that. I have written, I feel wrong. When we are going to get this, then what is the answer? 0. Okay, you calculate here. Either it will be coming out to be 0 or 1. Please check and tell me. Are we getting 0 or 1? Please tell me. Because this is the calculations now only left. So when you will be squaring on both the sides, this will be C square. I feel C square will get cancelled out. C square will get cancelled out. So you would be having C square into 2 is equals to 1 plus C square. बताइए भाई 0 आ रहा है कि 1 आ रहा है? Are we getting 1? Or shall I go for the calculations again? Have I made some mistake? Everybody is getting 1? Okay, fine. Then answer will be A. Okay, let's move to the question number 20th. This is from vibrations. This is from vibrations. भाई कैलकुलेशन आप चेक करते रहना. कैलकुलेशन में मुझसे भी गलती हो सकती है. Because you guys are giving exam, I am not giving from last 10 years. So that is why calculation part you should be more stronger than me. Okay. So what will be the answer? The vibration are minimum, maximum, average or 0 at node. At node the vibrations are going to be 0 because we are characterizing the node like that. If you are having the case of torsional vibration, you would be knowing this is a shaft, this is a disc. Then you know that when you are going to provide the torsion on this, you know this is going to twist like that. Here angle will be 0, here angle will be theta. So linear variation of theta will be seen. So you would be saying this point is acting like node. So node means 0 vibration. Answer will be D for this. Very good. Moving to question number 21 guys. This is once again from production. Question number 21 once again from production. They are giving some properties: malleability, hardness, resilience, isotropy. Whenever you get such type of question, you need to go for the most appropriate one. I can give you a hint. Direction is somewhere related to isotropy. Okay. Then my dear, you can see hardness is somewhere related to indentation. So you can see B is connected with 4 and D is connected with 5. You can see D is given 5 in either B or D. So answer will be from either B or D. And B is given 4 where? That will be your answer. And I feel everybody can see B is going to be the answer. From that you can say that A, malleability is connected with the cold rolling. Then you can see this C, resilience is connected with the impact load. So these are the questions where you need to check 1 to 2 cases. 1 to 2 will give you the right answer. Okay. And we need to go for the most appropriate type of answers for this. Moving to the next question guys. This is question number I feel 21 or 22. The cutting speed of the tool of a shaper, 22 it is. Yes. What would be the answer? When the cutting speed will be maximum? Aniket, what is V? So you know that whenever we are going to have the ram is going to travel in the shaper and planer, it will be starting from R1 ending at R2. You know at R1 velocity is 0, at R2 velocity is 0. So it will be coming maximum at the center. And you know forward stroke is slower, return stroke is maximum. So velocity is going to be the maximum at the middle, obviously for sure. So that is why beginning cannot be the correct, end cannot be the correct. So it is going to be maximum at the middle or minimum at the middle. So answer is maximum at the middle. C would be the right answer. Question number 23. Question number 23. Welding. Question from welding. Just look at it. Which is not correct statement about the function of flux in the brazing? This is from welding. Question from welding. and this question is question number 23. Question number 23. So you can see, to dissolve surface oxide coating which have formed prior to the brazing, to prevent oxide from forming during brazing, to facilitate the wetting process by reducing the viscosity of the melt, and to avoid the thermal distortion and cracking. I feel everybody can understand that flux has nothing to do with this, because that will be depending on preheating or post heating. So answer is going to be A for this. थिक स्किन थ्योरी क्वेश्चंस को इम्प्रूव कैसे करें, उसका एक ही तरीका होता है कि जब आप पढ़ते हो तो सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल्स ही नहीं करें. जैसे आप जब रिवीजन करते हो तो नोट्स में जो थ्योरी पॉइंट्स होते हैं उनको भी अगर आप ठीक से रिवाइज करोगे तो डेफिनेटली, लाइक अगर आप मेरे नोट्स देख लेना जो मैंने वेल्डिंग के शेयर किए हुए हैं ग्रुप पे, आप उसको देखोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि थ्योरी में कैसे मैंने किस तरीके से पॉइंट्स लिखवाए हुए हैं. ओनली द पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम वेयर क्वेश्चंस आर फॉर्म्ड. अगर वो आप ढंग से कर लेते हो तो थ्योरी के क्वेश्चन आपसे होंगे. और दूसरी चीज जो आपको करनी है दैट इज प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल सोल्व मोर एंड मोर क्वेश्चन, you go for numericals, you will be becoming good in numericals. When you will go for theory questions, you will become good in that as well. Okay, तो दो चीजें करनी है. One is a good revision of notes. Second is go for the theory questions as well. That's why in these sessions I am having theory plus numerical, both types of question. Investment casting is used for shapes which are made by difficulty using complex pattern in sand casting. For mass production, shapes which are very complex and intricate cannot be cast by any other method. There is nothing like investment casting. What would be the answer, guys, for this? Yes. What would be the answer for this? Very good, very good, very good. So here, when you will see, you will be having a tie between A and C. Then this word, intricate, that you must have listened to in the investment casting. So guys, we are going for C option, because yes, we are going to use. And one more thing, if there would be any option related to surface finish, then that would be the answer, because surface finish we are getting in investment casting is best, because we are using the wax pattern there. So answer for this will be C. Moving to the next question. This is from metrology and this is question number 26. We are left with 4 more after this. The minimum clearance you need to find out. Dimension of the hole is given to you. Dimension of the shaft is given to you. So I am telling you, dimension of hole is this, and dimension of shaft is this. This is hole, this is shaft. Tell me what would be the answer. The minimum clearance they are asking. The minimum clearance they are asking. Minimum clearance. Minimum clearance will be when hole and shaft are both of this size. And maximum clearance will be when shaft is of this size, hole will be of this size. Obviously the answer should be B, na? If they ask the maximum clearance, then this is shaft size, this is hole size. Okay, so answer will be B for this. Everybody agreed? Everybody agreed, because any size from this I can choose for shaft, and any size from this I can choose for hole. So when I will be getting the minimum clearance, if I will choose this size of hole, this size of shaft, the same size of hole and shaft will give you 0, 0, 0. B will be the right answer. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 27. If anybody have any doubt, Amresh, for this kind of thing you will say it is going to be transition fit, because you can get clearance also, you can get interference also. So we will call it as transition fit. We will call it as transition fit. Okay. Aniket, when we are having this type of, first of all, it is not necessary. Who said that? Who said that it is necessary? Whenever we are going for compounding of cylinder, we go for interference. So all have their applications. Like when you are going for bearing, inner race and outer race are having clearance, but when we are talking about their connection with the balls, it is always interference fit. When we are going to have railway wheels, those railway wheels with the axles are having interference fit. What we do in that? We are going to heat the wheels so that they can get bigger in size. And after that, when this is getting cooled, the axles are automatically get fit. So the types of fit, every time we are not looking for clearance. Who said that? So there we go for interference in compounding of cylinders, in railway wheels with axles. Okay. Moving to question number 27. Material size. Aniket, allowance is either minimum clearance or maximum interference. Just remember that. It is either minimum clearance or maximum interference. This is how allowance is defined. So here you know that they are saying the increasing proportion. So when we are talking about high speed steel, you know tungsten, chromium, vanadium, and you say 1881. Increasing order is vanadium, chromium, tungsten. A would be the right answer. Okay. Moving to the next question. 28. Inspection devices. Two more questions. You must have seen in HPCL also many questions were there from inspection devices. In ISRO also we can expect. Sorry, I have written it wrong. Actually, yesterday night I did not sleep well. So that's why my brain is not working properly. Okay, fine. Yes, surface roughness on a drawing is represented by. Actually, I am writing something else. In my mind, something else is going on. Yes, tell me. What would be the answer? So surface roughness we show like this, है ना? With two triangles, with single triangle, with three triangles. So answer for this is going to be triangles. Very good. Next question, probability. Next question, probability. A husband and wife appear in an interview for two vacancies for the same post. The probability of husband getting selected is 1/5, while the probability of wife getting selected is 1/7. Then the probability that any one of them getting selected. Any one of them. So you can say कि you need to find out the probability any one. Okay, so A or B. Aniket, for ISRO you need not to, but for HPCL type of exam you should. Answer for this will be coming out to be 11/35. This is going to be either A or B. Okay, so they are saying the probability of husband selected 1/5. Husband selected 1/5. Wife not selected is 6/7. Plus wife selected is 1/7. Husband not selected is 4/5. Is it clear like that? Answer will be A or B. I feel A will be coming out to be the answer. A would be the answer. 11/35. 2/7 is not in the option. A would be the right answer. Okay, 11/35. This was question number 28 or 29? 28. Okay. So guys, you have seen in this session we have taken questions from strength of material, from engineering mechanics, from mathematics 2 questions. One was complex number, other was probability, and we have a questions from production. So now the next question is from the tolerances, expressing a dimension 25.3 plus 0.05 minus 0.05. Is it a unilateral tolerance or bilateral tolerance? This is once again from metrology. Because from this chapter, ISRO is also asking a large number of questions. Unilateral tolerance or bilateral tolerance? Or limiting dimensions? Everybody. It is the case of bilateral tolerance. Because if this is the zero line, if tolerance is on both the sides, we call it as bilateral tolerance. Okay. Vaibhav, you understood? Answer will be B for this, because when you will make it, it will be coming like this. It is 25.35. This will be 25.25. This is 25.3. Okay. Moving to the next. Last question. In comparison to an open loop system, closed loop system is more stable, more accurate, more complex, all of the above. This is from Computer Integrated Manufacturing, NCCNC, Advanced Machining. Yes, tell me. All of the above is going to be correct. Because it is going to be more stable, it is going to be more accurate, it is going to be more complex, so answer will be D. So guys, as in ISRO, you are not going to get MSQ, it will be MCQ only. So the answer will be D for this. Now I would like to ask you guys, would you like to have these mock test type of sessions now for the all complete subjects now from the next week? Would you like to have the entire full mock test? Because now the last week is coming. So in the last week, we are expecting you have done you can say almost all the subjects. So shall we come up with the entire complete mock test? So because I was planning to have at least 2 complete mock tests, including all the subjects. Amresh, you can contact me on Telegram, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. There when you will be connected with me, okay, there I will share you the contact number. Okay, can you do a message to me there? There I will share you the contact number personally. Yes, Dongre, actually you don't remember, I feel, but if you see previously, I have taken many sessions with other than PYQs. Actually, what we do is, we are going to have new questions generally, but when exam is coming closer, then we try to add more PYQs, because when you are going for ISRO exam, PYQs are becoming more important. But don't worry, in the upcoming exam, I will try to keep 50% to 70% new questions only. Okay. Welding notes are available on thick skin, welding, casting, every note is available on my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Notes of welding, notes of casting, notes of material science, okay, notes of strength of material, notes of other subjects, metal cutting, everything is available. Okay, so if you join the Telegram channel, you will get multiple advantages. Every notification on time, है ना? Every PDF of the session you will get. Practice questions you will get, and from 1-2 days, after 1-2 days, we will be starting some quizzes, questions in the Telegram channel. So be ready for that. Yes. Amresh, once again message me. Sometime I got a large number of messages. Then it is difficult to respond everyone. Then because of that reason, some students may not get a response. Otherwise, I always try to give within 1 or 2 days, okay? Because sometimes more questions are coming, then every time I cannot contact because classes are also there, okay? Full length mock test you will be having on YouTube also, and also on the BYJU'S exam prep. In the description of this session, you can see the link to download the app. There when you will download the app, on the app you will find some previous year question of ISRO also, new papers also. So on the app a lot of sessions are going on, you can join that. Okay? So download the app for that. There also you will find ISRO quizzes, and we are also coming up with full length mocks in the upcoming week. At least 2 mocks we will plan. Okay, so goodbye for this particular session. This PDF also you will get on Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. And do one thing, just subscribe that Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana and download the app from the link in the description. You will get a lot of benefits from that. Okay, yes, it is free only, yaar. है ना? You can also appear for the mock test if you are looking for gate. Mega mock challenges are going on. They are free of cost going on. You can attend that full length test for gate also. So goodbye for this particular session.